Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming parts and voltage requirements. This prevents damage. Once you have the Uno and GPS, power the module from the Uno 5V or 3. 3V pin as required. Make sure ground is common. Connect module G&D to Arduino G&D immediately. Next, wire TX on the GPS to Arduino digital pin 10 and RX to pin 11 for software serial. This preserves hardware serial for USB. Do this now. Don't skip pins labeling because miswiring wastes time. Next, set up software serial on the Uno so GPS data won't conflict with USB. You'll declare software serial GPS 10, 11, then begin serial at 9,600 for the GPS and 115,200 for the monitor. This ensures readable output. Once done, upload a sketch that reads bytes from GPS and prints them to serial monitor to confirm NME sentences appear. If using tiny GPS++, instantiate the parser and feed each char. This extracts code. To finish, place the GPS where it sees the sky. Indoor tests may never get a fix. Power on and allow several minutes for a cold start. You'll see fix flags change. Wait for a 3D fix before relying on coordinates. Once the parser shows valid latitude and longitude, integrate into your project. If things go wrong, first swap TX and RX, confirm baud rate matches, and ensure common ground. These 3 checks resolve most connection problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.